Alright, so we're walking up to campus right now, and one simple trick for college is always wear a backpack, even if you're not studying or going to class. Basically, you want to roll up your sleeves a bit, go like this, and then flex your arms. So yeah, you're gonna want to do that. It's my biggest college tip. And now we're gonna go head to the dunk tank and see what's good on campus.
Good throw! All the proceeds go to a good cause. Come on! Wow! Almost got me! No!
That's some heat on it.
Wow! He hit it!
Dude, I think it's just broken.
Whoa! He's staying low! What is this? Everybody?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this kid sucks.
Oh yeah.
Put him in.
This guy stinks! Oh, brother!
Holy shit.
Oh, brother! This guy stinks!
Got Dr. FIJI! All proceeds go to Parkinson's research!
Wait, yo, Waffles, this is your teammate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, this guy can't dunk this. Whoa! Good throw!
Thank you, Jesus Christ. Someone shut him the fuck up.
More throws!
What was that? Alright, you were the top and the bottom.
These kids do not play baseball. Yeah, sir. Yo, baseball guys. Baseball guys. You get 3 shots on the house. 3 free shots on the house. My teammates really don't think that they could hit that.
Dude, puddle jump.
Yo, come dunk the tallest kid on campus. Wait, yo, Anderson, dunk the tallest kid on campus.
Yeah. Oh my
And
god.
I'm 6'3", by the way.